Okay, so I'm Chef Reginald. I'm currently teaching the Gastronomy, Food Trend and Nutrition Diploma. We're going to have a look at what they're doing today. How are we looking here?
Good, I'm about to cut my pancake.
How is it? Ah yes, it's ready.
Yeah,
Let's have a look.
it's very dense, but that's what I wanted, the height,
Okay.
that I can plate over it. So I'm gonna shape it.
Good. Now the top of it, let me see.
Much easier.
Very easy. You see? Comes off super easily. How are you mixing here?
I'm making a cacao and almond smoothie.
Ah, the smoothie is on the way.
Yeah.
Good. Press on it, press. That's it. 9:20, you have just under 1 hour before serving, okay?
Got